Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. And it's like really early in the morning. I wanted to record my real going to work makeup schedule, and I have my makeup things in front of me. It's in this cubby. That's how I like to arrange them every week. I like to put everything here which I'll be using throughout my week in this cubby, and then I like do my makeup stress free in the morning and very quickly. So this is one tip if you want to do your makeup quickly in the morning. Arrange your things like this. Now without wasting much time, I'm also getting late for office. I'll just start with the this video. So the first thing I do is I use like foundation, BB cream or cushion foundation, whatever I would like to wear for that day. So I just take it like so and dab it on my skin. And guys, I prefer using this BB cream. So it's like really good. It's not heavy. It's like low maintenance. And I'm sorry for the lighting because I'm just recording based on my lamp lighting because it's dark outside, so I don't have any natural lighting. So that's how I do my BB cream, and I like it because I can apply it without using any tools. So underneath I'm wearing my Neutrogena sunscreen as a base, and I love this BB cream because it gives like little bit of coverage and it won't overpower or like show like you are wearing too much makeup. The next thing I do is my brows, and I use Wonder Brow. I like to use this product when I'm hurrying because it's like quick. It's just two-step process for me. I need not to like do my brows or shape them or anything like that. Now I'll just take this spoolie and brush them. And my brows are done. So I really use like quick products and the products which last me for like entire day without touching up or smudging or smearing. And yeah, and this schedule, like this makeup routine, this takes me around somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes in total. I mean, I can do it a lot quicker, but it's just that I'm showing it to you guys too, so it's taking me a little bit more time because I have to like talk in between. Otherwise I can finish it like 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'll use my Urban Decay eye primer. Sometimes it's like optional for me, but I usually wear it like whenever I'm wearing eyeshadow. Some days I skip my eyeshadow when I'm like getting late. I'll just do my mascara and kohl liner on my lower lash line. And the days on which I have a little bit more time, I try to do my eyeshadow. But the eyeshadow I do is not very complex. It's like one eyeshadow look. So I have this Urban Decay Naked palette, and it has a lot of highlighters. I'll be using one of the highlighter as my eyeshadow today because they look really pretty in like one eyeshadow look. So I took this gold one and just roughly like dab it on like so, because I think it gives you a little bit pop to your eye and your makeup, and it doesn't look like too much, although it might like feel like for some of you that wearing a sparkly eyeshadow is like too much to office. But I mean, trust me, I have been doing this and I always got compliments. So I use this gold shade right here, and if you would like, you can use it on your face as a highlight, but I don't do that. Then I'll be using this Lord and Berry kohl liner underneath my lower lash line, and make sure you are like sharpening up your pencils in advance. You don't want to drag them against your waterline. The next thing I'll do is this mascara. It's Flourish Mascara by CoverGirl. I have a full review on this. I really love it, and I have been using it for now, like long time now. I've been using it ever since I reviewed it. So I really love, like, it doesn't irritate my eyes. I've been wearing it for like so long, and the results are amazing. Like, I never saw any fleeking or smudging with this mascara. You can check out the review. Just be careful with like your lower lashes, because this thing is little pokey, little bit pokey, not like too much. And mascara takes me like longest, so I prefer doing it in my car when I'm like not driving. Guys, that pretty much finishes my entire makeup. I know it's not looking like it's like too much done, but that's how I prefer it. And again, I'm using this Revlon lip tint. I use it every day ever since I got it, because it's an easy product and it lasts throughout my day. So guys, that was my 10-minute makeup routine, and you can see that's how my face looks like after doing my entire makeup. You can add or remove some steps depending upon your skin type, your face type. It'll be like totally depending on you how you would like to do it or replicate this look. This is pretty simple. You can tweak it here and there to customize it for you. And now I think I'm pretty much done, and it's time for me to go to office. You have a great day. Please subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll get back to you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.